Okay, good morning, everybody. Praise be to the Lord. We're going to continue with our science class of today. We're going to work in the exercises that appear in the book. Okay, so we're going to work on page number 237. Let's go to the page number 237. Everybody, let's go to the page number 237, 237, 2, 2, 237, okay, 237. And we're going to talk about, yes, that one. And we're going to read about what is an erosion and deposition. We already know about the slideshows, what is an erosion, what is an deposition. We already know a little bit more what is an erosion and what is a deposition using the video. And we are going to know what is an erosion and a deposition from the information that we get from the book. So, Catherine, start to read on page number 237. Doña Cata. Start to read, Catherine.
What are erosion and deposition? Materials such as rocks, particles on earth, water, wind, and ice can carry particles from one place to another place. The movement of materials away from a place is called erosion. Gravity is the main force causing erosion. In a landslide, gravity quickly pulls rocks and soils downhill. Landslides often occur during earthquakes and after heavy rains. Landslides are more likely to happen on steep slopes with no trees. Materials moved by erosion end up in other places. Deposition is the process of laying down materials such as rocks and soil. These sediments can be deposited in different places by wind or flowing water. This process may happen quickly or it take a long time.
Okay, very good. Let's continue to read. On page okay. First of all, wait. Okay, we already know what is an erosion, what the deposition is. Okay, let's answer the first question. Okay, how my trees on what's in there? On steep slopes help prevent landslides. How my trees on steep slopes help prevent landslides. Somebody, okay, Roland, do you have a question? The answer. So lower your hand. Okay, the answer is that I can really see in the picture. Tree roots help hold the soil in a place. That is the answer. Tree roots help hold the soil in place. That is the answer. That is the answer. Okay. Let's see. Let's read the number, page number 238. Valeria. Valeria one part and Roland another part.
Water erosion and deposition. Moving water causes rivers, rain, waves, ocean, currents, and glaciers are all forms of moving water.
Continue. Continue. Continue, Valeria. Valeria. Okay. They have problems. Okay, Roland, continue. They have problems with the internet.
Yeah, I got it.
Yep.
Water erosion and deposition. Moving water causes much of the erosion that shapes Earth's surface. Water can also deposit materials in other places to create new landforms. Rivers, rain, waves, oceans, currents, and glaciers are all forms of moving water. Rivers. Gravity causes rivers to flow. As rivers flow downhill, they pick up and carry sediments, such as rocks, soil, and sand. The sediments can erode the river beds by grinding against the river beds again and again. The faster a river flows, the more sediments it can carry. And the heavier those sediments can be, rivers also erode the land around them. As fast-flowing rivers can form V-shaped valleys. Slow rivers form looping bands, which erode the sides of the valley and make it windy. The deposit material from rivers forms areas called deltas. Rain. Rain can loosen sediments from the soil and carry them away. Rain can cause flooding in low-flat areas, flooding damaged soil, roads, and buildings. Rainwater flowing over bare farming fields on slopes can erode tons of soil and deposit it down. To prevent soil erosion, farmers plow furrows perpendicular to the field slope. The furrows catch rainwater, keeping the rain from carrying the soil away. Waves. Waves cause erosion along coastlines as waves hit against rocks. The rocks can break sand and gravel in the waves act like sandpaper, weathering the rocks over time. Waves that erode other shorelines may drop sand somewhere else to form other beaches. Storms, tides, and currents can erode beaches. Grasses and plants can help hold soil in place to prevent beach erosion.
Okay, thank you very much, Roland. So, let's see. Let's answer that. Conclude saying there. What conclusion can you draw about the speed of moving water or flatter land on flatter land and its ability to cause erosion? What conclusion can you make? If you follow the reading, you can know and uh, you can know how to get a conclusion about that. Okay, I will read again. What conclusion can you draw about the speed of moving water on flatter land and its ability to cause erosion? What is your answer? What is your answer, people? It's an easy answer. Right in there in the number 2. Water moves more slowly on flatter land and cause wider valleys. I repeat again. Water moves more slowly on flatter land and causes wider valleys. That is the answer. That is the answer. Let's see. Diego Guardiola. Page number 239.
Glaciers. Water frozen in glaciers can cause erosion. Gravity pulls glaciers down along a valley. As this movement happens, glaciers grind rocks beneath them into sediments. The glaciers deposit sediments downhill. Over a long time, the action of glaciers wears away the bottom of a valley, which becomes U-shaped.
Okay, very good. Let's continue. Page number 240, and that is going to be written by Fatima.
Wind erosion and deposition. Wind erosion is caused by wind blowing dust, soil, or sand from one place to another. When sand and dust blow against a rock, tiny bits of rock might off. break off. These bits are immediately blown away. Wind erosion also changes sand dunes and hills.
Continue.
Sand dunes. Sand dunes are large, loose depositions of sand. The size and shape of sand dunes depend on the speed and direction that the winds are blowing. The amount of sand available and the number of plants that live in the area. The stronger the wind, the farther sand particles can move. Winds that move in a steady direction can move a dune. This kind of wind will consistently pick up sand from one side and deposit it on the other side.
This process causes the entire dune to move slowly in the same direction the wind moves.
Okay, thank you, Fatima. Very good. Okay, let's go to answer the number 5. Number 5 said, why is wind erosion more likely to happen in dry areas than moist areas? Why do you think? Why is wind erosion more likely to happen in dry areas than moist areas? Why? What is your answer? Why is wind erosion more likely to happen in dry areas than moist areas? Easy. Let's write the answer on the book. In drier air, particles move more easily. In drier air, particles move more easily. There are not as many plants. There are not as many plants to hold the particles in place. To hold the particles in place. Let's see. The number 6. Let's see the number 6. Hypothesize. How could sand dunes be held in place to keep them from drifting onto a road? How could sand dunes be held in place to keep them from drifting onto a road? That is another easy answer. Write in there the answer. Plants such as grass, plants such as grass can be planted on dunes. Can be planted on dunes. A fence can be placed at the edge of dunes. I repeat all the answer again. Plants such as grass can be planted on dunes. A fence can be placed at the edge of dunes. And the last one, page number 241. Anna.
Wind erosion can be a serious problem on farms where profiles can become very dry with winds can blow topsoil off the files. This topsoil is the best kind of soil for growing crops. It cannot be quickly replaced. Farmers often plant rows and tall trees along the edges and files to prevent wind blowing off the files. Some farmers are able to grow their crops with less plowing. In this way, the soil stays larger chunks that do not get blown away.
Hey, thank you, Anna. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see to answer the number 7. How is wind erosion being prevented in the photo? If you see the photo on page number 241, we can see a place that is really erosion, okay, that we have also deposits. So, how is wind erosion being prevented in the photo? How it can be prevented, people? How it can be prevented? Okay, write the answer in there. Write the answer in there. Trees line the fields. Trees line the fields to stop the wind. I repeat it again. Trees line the fields to stop the wind, and some fields look less plowed, so soil does not blow away easily. I hope everybody can copy the answers. I repeat it again. Trees line the fields to stop the wind, and some fields look less plowed, so oil does not blow away easily. Let's see the number 8 to identify. What is one cause of erosion? How it can be prevented? What is one cause of erosion? How can it be prevented? Copy the answer. Moving water in the form of rain. Moving water in the form of rain causes erosion to bare farm fields. I will read it again. Moving water in the form of rain causes erosion to bare farm fields, comma, farmers can plow across sorry, can plow across fields to make furrows. That catch the rain water. Okay, people, we finish in here the class of science. Please remember, enter to the you don't have assignments of science for this week. Okay, you only have reading, grammar, and spelling for this week. Please make your assignments. Enter to the platform of English Lab of Imagine Learning. Please do all your assignments. Okay, guys, see you at 11:20 for grammar. Bye-bye.